What is up, my prankster gangsters? It's me, your boy, Red Sheep. See me right there spinning. And I'm enjoying my sister's world.
You already joined it. Bruh!
I got out. And your shirt's on backwards.
No, it's not. I don't care.
You're so stupid. I'm a dolphin. I'm Hobby Dolphin. You know, I should...
You wanna die? I really think you do.
Shut up. If you guys hear the fan, that might be the fan that's hitting me.
Because he's using the fan.
Yes. Yes. Thought that might be a really good hope. Something. And we're gonna come back. Let's check on the dogs and cats. They're my favorite color, but what did Eric do to you? They're completely red. Or what did Bianca do to you? She's in here. You dare mess with the cats.
I smacked him.
Meow. I know I need this cobblestone fence, bro.
Hallelujah, back to my normal self.
Drink some milk.
Drink some.
Lower the volume a bit because it's mad loud on my headphones.
How do I get out?
What?
How do I get out of here? There's no door.
There is a door.
What did Eric do to you, adorable little guy?
Well, what did you do to them? Because I believe my brother from another mother.
You have no head.
I have no head. What? Let me see.
No, when you run in front of me like this.
I saw your neck. It's so flat.
Thank you.
That's not a compliment.
At least you're saying that means I don't have a flat chin.
No, but it's flat. It's like if you had no chin.
Yours too.
I'm a sheep. I don't have neck.
So we're Minecraft people. We don't have necks either.
I wish in Minecraft it was a little bit real life so I could strangle you.
We meant to say like.
Strangle you.
How do I get these numbers out of here?
I don't know. Assuming you got them there?
I don't know. Oh no!
Oh no! What do you do?
I want to put one little TNT and then this happened.
Don't you freaking explode them near the dogs!
I want one little TNT. No, I put explosion protection.
I want this bunch of TNT.
I wanted only one little piece. Look, Uncle, look at me. Look at me place this. Look. Dude, look. It's one little piece.
Where are you?
Why?
You can have all these things. You can put another one for Eric.
What we're gonna do with these?
Keep them in case if there's a creeper. My tree house! Oh, no, that was yours. Never mind. My tree is over
I
here.
want to explode it.
Dude, it'll lag the whole freaking game.
Okay. Oh no! I just tapped it and it freaking ignited. No.
What?
Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Yeah, go what do you do?
Oh, you really want to explode? Come, Coco, let's go to a farther place. Come. Really want to explode one of these?
Yeah.
We just take out the.
I want to explode!
Everything for explosion protection.
Oh, oops. My bad. I'm sorry, kitties. By the way, if Eric asked, it was Bianca.
Oh, what? Oh,
Your world is crappy as hell.
oh. Now don't ignite anything. Come where I am.
Okay. Where are you?
Right here.
Oh.
Why is the game lagging? Dude! Oh my gosh, the little animals!
Oh no, never mind. It looks like a statue. I know. Calm. This is exploding. Right now it looks like a statue. And look, the pet house is not ignited. Never mind! Never mind!
Oh my gosh, you idiot!
Just as long as it doesn't come to my treehouse, I'll be fine. It's about to. You can't talk.
You idiot! Look, you
Why is my phone
know.
charging? Oh, there we go.
That's like Eric was
By accident.
saying. By accident, huh?
I'm so sorry, Eric. I mean, no, you don't have to tell him because you'll see the video. Ignite this one, ignite that one. There we go.
Oh my gosh, you're so lucky. Look at mine.
We're exploding over here. They're gonna move! And they're moving! Ignite you. Ignite
Oh
you.
my gosh.
Ignite you.
Look. Let's get here.
Oh, they ain't. Yes, it is! No! Build a wall! Build a wall of obsidian! I need the obsidian fast. Come in. Come on, build. I'm not a fast builder, god damn it! No! Protect my treehouse!
We have to make everything.
My treehouse must be protected! You!
You know TNT can blow up obsidian too.
I need bedrock! Yo, where's Petra? Where's Petra? She's a fast builder. Where is she? Ah, my treehouse!
Oh my god, you freaking idiot! I'm gonna be so mad. Dude, you worked hard on that pet house.
We'll build it on another world. Come on, bedrock, back up, bedrock. No, you don't. No one comes in. No one comes out. No, do not explode. I'm building. Why am I being tortured by the gods? I'm sorry for igniting this TNT. I'm so sorry. Yeah, what? The TNT blew up bedrock. No! I'm glitching!
No!
I'm in the water now.
You have no Google learn this lesson.
Because you did! Now you know what you learned. Now you learned your lesson. Never trust me with TNT. Why does on my screen look like if everything blew up and it's an island filled with water?
Because you're in the middle of the ocean.
Oh no! Let's make another world. I'll be right back, dudes. Okay, my prankster gangsters, we're just gonna log into my world.
A new world.
No, mine. No.
How is Eric gonna react when he's like, oh my god,
You forgive me because we're brothers for life. You're getting me scared.
He's gonna kill you.
You know that.
Here, he's reading a savage. You'll hit me even though.
But in Minecraft, that rules don't count because you're actually Steve.
I think in Minecraft he's gonna be killing.
Who's the one with the commands on? Me. So slash kill savage girl. Savage girl. 2 6 6 3 7. This is for you, Eric.
That was your fault.
No one knows about my secret trust. It's just Eric. And all of you guys.
Yeah, I know you guys. Except for you guys.
Oh no. No.
I'm gonna make a good entrance.
No, do not come in. Do not come in. Okay, now you can. You have a TNT thing?
No, it's only in my world.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a good entrance. Make sure you're there to see it. Where are you?
I'm in the house.
Get out the door and look at my entrance. My entrance.
No, you come in my door.
Guess you can't see this. It makes the fireworks.
They were fireworks! What?
Your fault. You missed it. You dumb.
Give me some fireworks. I mustn't like them in the house.
They're not fireworks.
What are they?
The totem.
Totem of life.
If you were just here to see it, you would.
Okay, dudes, I'll be right back. I'm not gonna go to my world of anger. Okay, dudes, I'm joining into my world of anger to release my anger on everything. I'm back. Who wants to see me explode crap with my TNT with First of all, who wants to see some sand fly everywhere? I know you do. Oh wait, this will be a beautiful world actually.
No, I don't have the big TNT.
This is a beautiful world. We should start building civilization here.
You said it was your world of anger.
Now it is. Time to make some sand fly. All TNT must fill every hole. Oops, I thought I was gonna think, oh well, more space for a ball. It's TNT. Oops. I what?
I meant for the people in YouTube. You should build something beautiful. Okay, go build yourself. I want to see how you build yourself.
Okay, you want to see my good builder skills? Okay, follow me. But glitchiness. Spray every. Oh, I know how to fix this. Run on them! What? What?
Oh my god, you went flying.
Do not bother me. Stupid.
Bothered my message. What the heck are you doing?
Building a chamber of TNT. It's gonna be completely made out of TNT. Bianca! Get out of here with your lesbian looking self. Yeah, I said it. I just straight up roasted you.
We're at a time when we were like even like the whole castle of TNT. When we used to stack.
3. Wait. Time to see me shoot up. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Bianca, your stupid TNT blocked the way of me exploding.
Mine's exploding.
Maybe it was a bad idea.
Oh my god, I see all the blocks of sand just flying everywhere.
That was my trick shots. Okay, I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna find the electro wings and put them on. Maybe on Flake. Where are the electro wings? Here they are. Oops! What am I doing? Okay, so then break 4 blocks of TNT. Break 4 blocks of sand. Then put another block of TNT on top. And then cover the rest of the outer parts with sand. And you guys are gonna end up flying like Tweety Bird. I said you're gonna end up flying like Tweety Bird. Oh, how close? That's not close. You're underground. Bastard. And I'm almost finished, my dudes. And then just completely cover the full top part of it with TNT. No, I'm gonna make myself fly. So then you do this, make yourself go flying. And then stay here, and then you can go flying.
Explode.
And then you use your electro wings to balance your way through. I'm glitching! Stop doing what I'm doing, please! Trying to do trick shots here.
My hole is deeper than yours.
You said
It
I could
looks
pick.
so wrong. It looks so wrong. Look. You're mad at me. Okay, no more mad. I see two buttholes.
Buttholes? Is it possible for someone to be born with two buttholes?
Oh, you're gonna make a little house.
No. Oh, somewhere I can blow up higher. Bianca, do not explode at the same time.
Mario, I wanna see you fly.
So don't explode up crap.
Yeah, I wanna see you fly. Right here, I'm gonna get a chair. Wrong chair.
Those aren't chairs, those are like...
No, I'll put the tracks and I'll put animals inside.
Our Minecraft loneliness is not enough. But won't the animals blow up though?
Yeah, that's what we want.
They get 3 blocks, 5 blocks extra higher. You gotta go super high and then do a little big humongous boom boom.
Villagers?
Yeah, sure, they're actually people.
You know you're close. Get in my car. Stop shaking my
Then go straight down and put a ton of TNT. Right where the bedrock is. I found iron ore.
Now I need a spot right here. I'm watching.
Found a bedrock.
Look. Before you die, look at all these people. I can't see.
Nope. Who's that? Oh well. The simple life is I blocked myself out. There we go.
Wait.
I know, I'm just putting the TNT I said. Okay, I'm ready.
Look at everyone.
One of them escaped.
No, that's a random one that we're all watching.
Okay.
See, that's how nice I am. I made a whole cup. Even though they're all gonna die.
Yeah.
I should have covered them up in obsidian.
Yeah, you should have.
And I'll do for next time.
I'm gonna make it third person front so that everyone can see me fly. Or should I make it back? I don't know, but I'm gonna stretch. Back.
Hey, you people decide. Front? It says front. Yo. She said front.
Okay, my dudes, it's me. Your boy, it's me, your boy, Red Sheep, and I'm gonna do a trick shot with TNT. That's enough cheering. Are you guys ready?
Wait!
Now, I'm looking at her screen. Now? Now?
Yes. Now! blow
All
it.
of them!
Where the heck?
I don't know. It shows like if I was.
Looks like your block was moving.
Oh, I'm in the. Oh no! Didn't work like I wanted it to.
Okay, next time I'll make a crowd, okay? Go come where I am. And you'll build, and then I'll make a crowd. Come over here.
Wait.
Do the explosion right there, and then I'll make a crowd right here. Better? How about a better rock? Oh, cool. The way your little feet were like that.
That's my sheepy feet. Eric's gonna be totally jealous. Eric. Because he's not here playing with us. Well, hopefully he comes. No.
Oh, cool.
Embarrassing.
Where I'm making the audience, you have to go there.
Where?
Where am I making the
Oh, I see you.
Okay, every time.
Putting down some TNT to build the whole world. Yeah, baby, baby, yeah, baby, baby. Building some TNT so I can blow up the world, yeah, yeah, yeah.
No one wants to hear you sing.
She just ruined my moment, dude. But if you want, you can just have your moment. Okay, this is my moment right now, okay, bro? Elmo's world.
Okay, I'm gonna ruin
Who doesn't like it? I hate Elmo like hell.
I hope they're all safe though. All the people that are picking it up.
And hope they can see my beauty. Dude, I'm creative. I cannot die. Who said that? That bastard. Who's it Dr. Trowers? I love Dr. Trowers, so it cannot be him. I'll forgive him because he's a villager, and I like Dr. Trowers because of the MTDM. Look, my wings spread when I do this.
Make the double the glass safer.
It still blow up though.
Yeah, but at least the whole house. No, you're not gonna do that to her.
I know, I'm just building.
You're gonna build it tall.
Taller enough. She can sing, she can dance. Her name is Baby. Stop trying to. Nigga!
What?
Phone. I think one more layer of TNT or this is fine.
Gotta wait. So what you gotta do?
I don't have to pee. Becca, you think this is fine or just one more layer of TNT?
Wait, and Eric, if you're watching,
I am. Cause you may borrow the man. The first time I ever had him was when, yeah, like he's like my actual brother now. Okay, now build right here. yeah, Bianca. Do you think I should make a cannon up here? Or no? I'll make it totally out of TNT. I guess we'll wait until they finish. I'll be right back, my dudes. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you pick everyone's in a minecart and you are also.
Oops.
Get out of my way.
I'm just gonna wait until you finish fighting with the
Freaking-
pig.
No. I don't know where the heck that pig went. Hey.
They can still die.
But the bedrock stayed in place. That should have on the floor.
Yeah.
Let's do it again. Do exactly where it is. Where are you doing it?
I'm right here in the front.
What you did?
I just put the TNT in the back of the thing to see if they would survive, and then they didn't. Both. I'll help you. I want this. I'll do a little wink. That feels nice. Yes. Watch me. Oh, it's laggy. I'm in this. It worked.
You gotta do it again for these beautiful sheep. All the sheep are walking away.
I can't find a world. It's all glitching. I'm gonna go complete straight down. Oh my Jesus.
They all want to watch you.
I'm coming. I'm coming. But laggy. I'm freaking lagging. Coming. I'll end the video right before I hit the floor. I'm glitching. Yeah.
And I'm in the audience too, but you can't see.
Goodbye, my dudes. Hope you enjoyed this video.
You're leaving them alone?
Peace.